Former Mount Pleasant MP Fadzai Mahere has categorically rejected Bulawayo Mayor David Coltart's assertion that she and former Harare MP Alan Norman Rusty Markham resigned from parliament on their own accord. Sana bina mashoko atakwa na Fadzai Mahere anoti vo subscribe or like otina on the bell icon. So Mahere and Markham, who were elected MPs for Mount Pleasant and Harare East respectively in the August 2023 harmonized elections, resigned from the parliament in solidarity with the party's former leader NACHAMISA, who quit the party abruptly on 23 January this year, citing infiltration. So David Coltart on his ex-handle said, "These seats went to ZANU-PF because two distinguished MPs resigned of their own accord. Despite this utterly flawed parliament, we need to use every possible avenue to oppose tyranny." Saka Fadzai Mahere anoya panapa achimuremind anotara mashoko ekuti, "Have you already forgotten the events that led to the resignation? Are you forgetting that whole blocks of MPs were illegally recalled? Are you forgetting that after being illegally recalled, their by-elections campaigns were attacked by violent thugs? Are you forgetting that campaign team members were abducted and murdered with zero accountability? Are you forgetting that sitting MPs were abducted and tortured while the perpetrators who were caught on video were never brought to book? Are you forgetting that our members were banned from contesting for no reason?" Ndo mashoko anoyachiudzwa panapa David Coltart naFadzai Mahere achiti, "Aiwa iwe David Coltart usati unge wakanganwa zvakaitika, handanga namborizana nokuda kuti tistaida kuti kana kuti taida kupawa neZANU-PF masits aya, but pane ma-events aasiteta akaokeya akaita kuti varesign pamwe chete nekuinfiltrata kwakaita ZANU-PF mubato reCCC zvakazoita kuti vanozochamisa vasiye bato." Saka muri Zimbabwe ndo mashoko anodzwa David Coltart. Ngotudzai mafungiro enyu nori kudi pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinai mucomment section medu dzamafungiro enyu, musangano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.